Council is encouraging worship in open spaces in a bid to tame the COVID-19 infections in the country. The council has reiterated President Uhuru Kenyatta's call that places of worship do not exceed the 1/3 capacity as in-person prayers resume in the 5 red zone counties that had been put under partial lockdown last month.
The worship in the counties of Nairobi, Kiambu, Nakuru, Kajiado and Machakos resumed on Sunday, a day after President Uhuru Kenyatta lifted the partial lockdown. The general fear among health sector stakeholders is that Kenyans might let their guard down during services. The Interfaith Council now says the in-person services will only last for a period of 2 hours, with the council encouraging worship in open spaces while there is free circulation of air.
The in-person worship can resume in all regions following the 1/3 capacity of the places of worship. This is achieved by strictly adhering to the 1.5 meter social distancing without any extra persons standing or sitting in the corridors.
The council has reiterated President Uhuru Kenyatta's call that places of worship will only be allowed to operate with only 1/3 of a capacity.
That means we will have to organize several sessions to provide for the needs of each congregations where it is called for. D, we must still avoid any common use of water or shared items.
Religious leaders, on the other hand, have been called upon to take a proactive role in ensuring all the Ministry of Health protocols are adhered to, as well as encouraging followers to take the COVID-19 vaccine.
We appeal to the church right now to make sure that even with the opening, we don't get so much excited, failing to keep with all the requirements that have been laid to us by both the Ministry of Interior and, of course, the Ministry of Health, the Department of Health.
We appeal to all religious leaders to reiterate the importance of the preventive measures, especially that of wearing masks at all times in all public places.
The council insists that there shall be no food served in worship gatherings and funerals.